Hi, this is how to show game activity on Discord. Go to your settings, scroll down, and under activity settings, go to registered games. Now you have to add the game that you would like to be shown on your Discord by clicking add it. Now look for the game that you would like to be added. So it could be either under Steam or anything. You just have to make sure that the game that you would like to add is currently active or currently running. Like this one, let's try this solitaire. So let's select that one here and then add game. Now you can see it is added and then just click this toggle overlay. So as you can see here, I opened up the calculator and added it as a game, and you could see it on my status here. So what we could do is we could close the calculator up and then it will change it here to the game that I just recently added. And that's it. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.